Strategy number 8. Quiz yourself. Spacing your review by quizzing yourself with practice questions every few days or so will greatly improve your recall and retention. Studies show that revisiting material after allowing it to become a bit fuzzy forces the brain to create more varied memory traces. When you're prompted to retrieve this information after a period of time, it alters the way the information is stored in your memory, creating new neural pathways and making it easier to retrieve later. Bonus tip: make the most of your little snatches of time. Those 5 minutes in line at the post office, that frustrating 25 minutes in the waiting room at the doctor's office, the 10 minutes you're waiting for your meal to arrive at a restaurant, use that time, however small, to your advantage. Keep recordings of your notes to listen to, or take quizzes on NCLEX Mastery. By sneaking in just an extra 15 minutes each day, you'll add 7.5 hours of extra study time in a month, with hardly any effort. Here's another bonus tip. If you find something you don't understand, then find out about it. Never pass on an opportunity to solve a potential problem area on the NCLEX. Look it up. Look it up in your nursing text or Google it. Or reach out to us at NCLEX Mastery. We're here to help.